Hi guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Ever since I posted this video, a lot of you have been asking for long form swatch videos and reviews. So here it starts. Now there were 71 polishes in that PR, and swatching all of them in long form videos might be a little difficult. So I will be sharing swatches of those in form of shorts and reels. So make sure you subscribe and follow me on Instagram for more updates. I have tried to put similar shades side by side so that you can see the comparison as you go through the swatches, because there are a lot of similar shades with slight differences in tones and undertones. You can definitely watch it in 1.5 or 2x speed if you think it's a bit slow, but I kept it a little slow, like realistic rhythm, so that it's easier for you to catch the comparisons of the two shades and everything, and the formula as well. So yeah, I'll see you on the other side of the video with the review. To the review part, and I hope you enjoyed the swatches too. First, I'm not a fan of the bottles because they keep falling. The brushes, some of them have good rounded brushes, but some of them have stubby thin brushes, so there's lack of consistency there, which definitely needs to be improved. Coming to the formula is overall smooth. The application is also very smooth. They take 3 to 4 coats on me to get completely opaque. Like the lighter shades would definitely require 3 to 4 coats, if not more. Third, the drying time is pretty decent. I really like how quick dry they are. Fourth, some of the shades that I have used a lot have kind of thickened over time and sort of glooped up, which I don't like. Hi, voiceover Ritika this side. While editing, I thought maybe I should actually show you what I mean. Like you can see that the polish has thickened so much that it's not even flowing inside the bottle. It's so thick now that it's just not even moving. But I have hardly used this like 3 or 4 times maximum. This should not have happened even if I was careless. And this happened to like 3 or 4 shades at least. I will keep checking if this happens to any other shades that I'm using more than 3 to 4 times. So yeah, I'll update you. I really don't want to say that I don't like the formula, because I do, because they are very smooth to apply and they are great for nail art. But they definitely could be better. Like I do like their gel stylist formula way better than these. But these are also nice. But there's room for improvement. I hope I made myself clear. So yeah, that's it. If you have any queries, do mention them in the comments. I will get to you, and stay tuned for short videos for more swatches and nail arts. Also do follow me on Instagram, because I post there way regularly, like every day, at least once if not twice or thrice. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.